Do you or any one of your loved ones suddenly realize that they have lost patches of hair? गुच्छे बन के बाल ऐसे बाहर आ रहे हैं, पूरे यहाँ patches बन गए. If you know somebody like this, you know this is alopecia areata. What is alopecia areata? Alopecia areata is an autoimmune condition. Now, what is autoimmune condition? Autoimmune condition is a situation where your own body cells start attacking your body cells. So what happens? Your army doesn't realize that this is your own body cell and starts to kill it. It can kill thyroid, pancreas. There are about 110 plus autoimmune conditions today, and alopecia areata is one of the few conditions which is really troublesome. You know why I'm saying that? Because a very young group of 4 boys came to me about 7-8 months back, and they said, "Doc, we need you to be on an advisory board." I said, "But what is it that you're doing?" They said, "Doc, we have done a research, and one health problem which is troubling maximum number of people and people want to take action for it is hair loss." Imagine 30 years of being into medical practice, I had never thought about it in this way. But of course, young generation is very smart, and then I asked for the data and they showed me a proper survey they have done where this came out. Now, in this group, there is a group, small group but very important group who's suffering from alopecia areata. And people who suffer from this, because there is no treatment for this in other sciences, they are not able to sleep properly. They go into depression, mood swings, and everything. But guys, you know what? I have had very successful cases of alopecia areata. This is one case which when comes to me, a big smile comes on my face. Why? Because I know why this is happening. When I know the cause, I can correct the cause. This will go away like this. Let me tell you a story of a very sweet Muslim girl from Mumbai. She calls me and says, "Doc, I have alopecia areata. I've seen one of your videos. Can you help me?" This was 4 years back. Till today, every 4 months, she books a consult with me. She sends me her inflammatory marker, her thyroid antibodies, and her free T3 and free T4 levels. And her hair is so beautiful. She got married last year and now she's a to-be mother. And I can't tell you, there are so many similar stories about this. So what is it that we do, especially in these cases, which works wonders? Anti-inflammatory products. So we put them on good vitamin D doses. We follow Coimbra's protocol. High dose vitamin D with magnesium, with K2, with good selenium. Second, we make sure that the thyroid is good, not total T3 and total T4, but free T3 and free T4. We make sure their antibodies are in control, both TPO and TSH antibodies. And then they are put on omega-3, 2000 to 3000 milligrams. Inflammatory foods are taken away from the diet for 3 weeks to 3 months. And then we introduce after 3 weeks. If they still have symptoms after 3 months, after 6 months, till the time they are able to introduce them without any symptoms. And guys, just with this basic protocol, we are able to have them out of their problem in a matter of 3 to 6 months. If any one of you is suffering from this, do work on your inflammation, do work on your thyroid, and see how this goes away. All the best.